The first step, as always, is to count up the valence electrons. So we have a total of 8 valence electrons for 4 electron pairs. Next, we want to connect the outside to the center atoms, and doing so uses 3 out of our 4 electron pairs. And we see hydrogen has complete octet all the way around because hydrogen only needs and can only hold 2 electrons. Now that we've completed the octet of the outside atoms, we can look to the center atom. The center atom, nitrogen, currently has 2, 4, 6 valence electrons. Remember, those bonding electrons count towards each atom's octet. Nitrogen needs 2 more electrons for its octet. Fortunately, there is one remaining electron pair. We put that on the nitrogen atom, and now we see that nitrogen has its full complement of 8 valence electrons, the 6 bonding electrons, and this lone pair. So we have the correct number of valence electrons, and all atoms follow the octet rule.